Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the Tech Pro channel. Today I'm going to talk about the brand new Xiaomi 17 series. Just announced is a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. In this video, I will walk you through the key highlights, the performance upgrades, and why this chipset could set a new standard for flagship smartphones. Now, I want to talk about 70 Pro models. Both phones feature secondary rear displays next to the main cameras. The Pro model has a 2.68-inch panel, while the Pro Max variant has a 2.80-inch screen. Xiaomi claims this rear screen enables features such as a variety of watches, games, music controls, notes, cameras, and etc. Perhaps the most intriguing feature for gamers is the handheld console case mode. Xiaomi says you can add a Bluetooth connected case to transform the device into a retro gaming console. This case has 4 buttons and a strange-looking D-pad. I imagine it's at least a good way to save battery life as opposed to using the main screen. Take a look at the image below. Otherwise, the Xiaomi 17 Pro seems like a response to phones like the pocket-sized Pro mobiles from Apple, Samsung, and Google. Expect a 6.3-inch OLED panel with a 2656 to 1220 resolution, while the Pro Max has a 6.9-inch OLED panel. Xiaomi claims both panels have an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, a peak brightness of 3500 nits, a brightness of 2000 nits in high brightness mode, and Xiaomi's own shield glass protection as an alternative to Corning Gorilla Glass. The Pro model doesn't make any major compromises to achieve this smaller size. In fact, the device has a 6300 mAh silicon carbon battery, which outperforms those found in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, iPhone 17 Pro Max. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max takes things a step further with an incredible 7.5 matched battery. This increase in battery capacity is possible thanks to a higher silicon content, 16%, and what Xiaomi calls the first L-shaped battery for Android phones. Unfortunately, there is a good chance Xiaomi will reduce the capacity of these batteries for European markets due to shipping regulations. Xiaomi Pro phones also offer 100-watt wireless charging and 50-watt wireless charging. Furthermore, the company states that you can use 100-watt FPS chargers to achieve 100-watt speeds. What about the cameras? The Xiaomi 17 Pro and Pro Max share a 50-megapixel main camera, Light Fusion 950L, and the 17mm 50-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. The latter has a 102-degree field of view, making it quite narrow compared to other ultra-wide angle sensors. Meanwhile, the Pro model also features a 50-megapixel 115mm 5x telephoto lens with a Samsung ISOCELL GN5 sensor and a minimum housing distance of 20 cm for macro photography. The Pro Max offers a 50-megapixel 150mm prism periscope camera with Samsung ISOCELL GN8 1.2-inch sensor. In addition to the different sensors and model designs, the Pro Max has a significantly wider f2.6 aperture compared to the Pro's f3.0. Now we are finished with Xiaomi 17 Pro models, and I'm going to talk about a little bit about 17 model. The basic Xiaomi 17 is obviously not the center of attention this around, but it still looks like a strong competitor to the standard Pixel 10, iPhone 17 Pro, Samsung S26 Pro. For starters, it has a 6.3-inch panel with an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 3.500 nits. It's really a match for this phone. The basic Xiaomi phone has a massive 7000 mAh battery, which also benefits from a higher silicon model. Once the battery runs low, you can top it up using the aforementioned 100-watt wired charging or 50-watt wireless charging. As for the cameras, the phone has a 50-megapixel Light Fusion 950 sensor, 1.31 inches f1.67 at 50 megapixel G and 5 telephoto lens, 10 centimeters macro, and the 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. So guys, that's the first look at the Xiaomi 17 series with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It's shaping up to be one of the most interesting flagship launches of the year, and I'll keep you posted as more details come out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. What do you think about Xiaomi stepping up with the Elite Gen 5 chip and modern rear camera? I would love to hear your thoughts. Guys, see you in the next ones. Bye bye. Oh, in case if you didn't subscribe yet, push the button subscribe. I analyzed my channel and I realized that many of you didn't subscribe and don't like my videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. And again, bye bye.